So in today's lesson, we're learning to multiply two-digit numbers by two-digit numbers. So to start with, we're going to do 31 multiplied by 12. So the first part of this maths hack is to multiply the first digit of the first number by the first digit of the second number. 3 multiplied by 1. 3 times 1 is equal to 3. That's the first digit of the answer. Then we do the last digit multiplied by the last digit, which will be the last digit of the answer. 1 times 2. Leave a space in between. Now we need to get the middle number, and we need to do two multiplications and add them together. Firstly, we multiply the first digit of the first number with the last digit of the second number, which is 3 times 2, which equals 6. Then we multiply the last digit of the first number with the first digit of the last number. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. We add these together. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So the missing digit is 7. So therefore 31 times 12 is equal to 372. So well done. Now we're going to do 45 times 21 using the same method. So to start with, we'll do the first digits. 4 times 2, that's equal to 8. Then the last digits, 5 times 1 is equal to 5. Then we leave a gap for the middle by adding these two together. 4 times 1 is 4 and 5 times 2 is 10. Then we add these together to get 14. We put the 4 in the middle, that's where it goes. We carry the 10 over to the 800. 10 tens make 100. We add it to the 8 to get 900. So the answer is 945. So well done. So now we're going to do 62 times 54. 6 times 5 is 30. So we put that at the beginning of our answer. 2 times 4 is 8. So we put that at the end of our answer. And now we need to find out the middle. 6 times 4 is equal to 24 and 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Now we add these together to get 34. So we put 4 in the gap and then we carry the 30, which is representing 300. So the answer is 3,348. So well done. So our next example is 94 times 56. So 9 times 5 is equal to 45. And then we leave a space. 4 times 6 is equal to 24. So we put the 4 at the end and we carry the 2 over. Now we do 9 times 6, which is 54, and 4 times 5, which is 20. Add them together and you have 74. We're going to keep the 4 in the middle spot and we will carry the 7 over to the hundreds column. Then we will add these together. 45 plus 7 is 52, which is the same as saying 4,500 plus 700 is the same as 5,200. And 4 plus 2 is 6, which is the same as 40 plus 20. So the answer is 5,264. So well done. Now let's do one more together. 7 times 4 is 28 and 6 times 1 is 6. Now let's work out the middle. 7 times 1 is 7 and 6 times 4 is 24. We add them together, we get 31. We leave the 1 in the gap and we carry the 3 over to the hundreds column. 28 plus 3 is equal to 31. So the answer is 3,116. So well done. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I really hope you subscribe so you can learn lots more maths hacks and become a really great mathematician. Thank you so much. Bye.